Hey guys, happy Monday. I have a super quick Hobonichi week's plan with me for you guys. This week I am using the Pastel Galaxy kit from my shop, and this is honestly just one of my favorite collections. I've used this kit 3 times and I feel like it always turns out different and more magical than the last time, so if you are interested I will also link it down below. So starting off, I'm just working on the date covers. I'm using the Muji Gel Pen in 0.5 millimeters, and I just write in all of the dates on the clouds and line it up on the side. Also, you probably noticed that I always make a little dot on my finger before I write. It's kind of weird, but it's how I sort of test for the ink and make sure that everything's flowing properly. And then after all of the dates are down, I'm putting down the weekend banner, which you can use it horizontally or vertically. And then I also put down the 2 strips of bottom washi. I chose to make the washi strips not really thick to cover up the entire bottom washi because I want you to be able to use it on other parts of the spread as well. And then moving on to Monday, I'm putting down one of the mini square full boxes, which I think are one of the cutest things ever. And then to mark in Coffee Monday, I'm putting down a cherry blossom emoji with a coffee cup from our Sakura sampler, and I'm just brush lettering in Coffee Monday, and the pen is the Fudenosuke brush pen. I also put down one of the doodled checklists, and I wrote down that I wanted to work on the emoji customs. And then just to fill up that little space next to Coffee Monday, I'm taking a Mildliner doodle from our May freebie. Moving on to Tuesday, I put down a planning girl sticker from the Fox and Cactus just to write down that I am going to be meeting up with my 2 friends. They're actually my friends from high school, and I haven't seen them since the summer after we graduated, so it's been a few months and I'm really excited to see them. I also put down the matching mini emoji checklist and a to-do sticker from Randy Plans, and of course I just wrote down all of my to-dos. And then once again from the May freebie, I'm just grabbing the Winnie the Pooh onesie sticker. This is seriously like one of my favorite drawings that I've made to date. But anyways, on a label from the kit, I just wrote down that I wanted to design. And then I'm actually going to go back to Wednesday later on. Moving on to Thursday, I just put down another mini checklist and wrote down my to-dos. I do tend to skip around if I can't really remember what I'm supposed to be doing. Also on Thursday, I just layered a couch potato emoji on top of another full box, and I just wrote down that I wanted to catch up on my YouTube subscriptions just because I've been missing a lot of videos from creators that obviously I'm subscribed to. For Friday, I put down a girl sticker from Bubba Bear Studios, and I just hand lettered in that I wanted to continue working on customs. To be honest, I think I accepted a bit too much. I definitely can finish them, but I feel like I've just been cooped up inside all summer. So yeah, I think for the next batch I'm gonna accept a little bit less just because I still want to enjoy my break. But I have been really enjoying working on all of your customs, and thank you so much for trusting me to draw you in emoji form. Anyways, I'm just rambling. For Friday, I also put down a yoga emoji to mark in that I want to hit the gym. And then I put down another full box from our variety of Hobonichi full boxes from our shop just to fill up a little bit of space. And I also took a gray sticky note sticker and a floral emoji to mark in that Sunday is Mother's Day. I still have to brainstorm what exactly I want to do for my mom, but I know for sure that I'm going to be getting some of her favorite foods, so I just wrote that down next to the sticky note, and I also put down a today sticker. Then I'm just whipping out this random roll of rose gold foiled washi. I think this was from one of the tubes from Michael's, and it's actually one of those annoying ones with the paper backing, so I had to fiddle with that. I just cut up a little strip and put down a pair of nerd glasses and wrote down some more to-dos. For Sunday, I made a vow to myself that I am absolutely not allowed to work on that day, and I just brush lettered that in and put down a doodled checklist sticker from the kit. So if you guys follow me on Instagram or are in my Facebook group and you catch me working on something, I give you guys the permission to yell at me through the internet. I also took the 3rd washi strip and I put it up top, and then now I am going to move back to Wednesday. I put down one of the label stickers, and I know that it's not yellow, it's just orange, but I think it looks fine. And I just wrote that I want to make an Instagram post, and I also layered on top a foiled emoji head. And then, like my previous Hobonichi spreads, I'm just taking all of the sticky notes and putting them on the sidebar. Basically, I just use the sticky notes to track how many hours a night I sleep, and I always put the habit tracker that comes with the kit on top. The base kit from my shop comes with 4 sticky notes, and those are great if you just want to use them sparingly throughout the week. You can also get the add-on with all of the different colors if you want to use 7 per week. And that's about it for the spread. I do fill up the side page a little bit more throughout the week with like checklists and stuff, but because I don't exactly know what's going to be happening, it is mostly blank. So yeah, that's about it for this spread. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.